Okay, I guess not. But you can get them on Amazon. It's a 3M spray. It's adhesive. I mostly just put it around the clip because I kind of like it stopped working because I'm using the VRH adjustable, and I went too far in the adjustment that it ripped off of it stripped out the clip, so it was loose. So now I had something to hold it on because this thing vibrates a lot. So electronics don't like vibration, so it's always good to check on your vehicle. But I used the 3DM spray. I sprayed it around until it seeps in the connector, and then I added the ATV. Well, you're supposed to put this dielectric grease inside the connectors where the metal connects to, so it has a really good contact. You don't want to push it too much. I noticed when you push it a little bit too much, it stutters the motor. I don't know if you've seen the video. It was like sputtering. Like it felt like the hub bolt was loose. I think that's it. Yeah, this is what I use. Look, it's pretty like hard and bouncy. I don't want to push it too hard because, well, yeah, that's about it right there. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But this fixed the problem, so it won't like pull out like all random, especially when you're riding fast, 18 miles per hour or more. You don't want this to cut off. Worst thing ever. And if it starts to sputter, I'll show you the video now. Later on after this, you'll notice that it could be the hub bolts or the connector loose. Most of the time it's loose, or the hub bolts could be a little bit loose, and it's gonna make that sound. That's crazy. So again, this is how to fix the connector. I don't know if you see it there. It has like the ATV. I actually used what did I use? I used a 3DM spray. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, so right here to show you how to fix the harness using, you get these from AutoZone, GB Weld, RTV, silicone, black silicone. I used to have the ATV one or RTV one, but it's blue. And then dielectric grease for a secure connection. This what it does is just the electric go through like a grease. It's like oil for your food. You cook your food. Electrical tape. So here we go.